Welcome to our guide on soil revival. Today we'll explore how you can breathe new life into your garden soil, ensuring it supports healthy, vibrant plants. If your garden soil looks lifeless, compacted, and incapable of supporting healthy plants, you're not alone. Dead soil is a common issue, especially in urban and suburban gardens where years of planting, foot traffic, and synthetic fertilizers have stripped the soil of its natural vitality. But here's the good news. There are quick and easy ways to bring your soil back to life, no matter its current state. Reviving dead soil doesn't have to take years. With the right techniques, you can quickly restore nutrients, improve structure, and create an environment where plants thrive. Let's jump right in with 5 powerful solutions that beginners can apply immediately to fix their soil and transform their garden. Solution 1. Boost soil microbes with compost tea. One of the fastest ways to revive dead soil is by introducing beneficial microbes through compost tea. This liquid gold is packed with microorganisms that break down organic matter, unlock nutrients, and create a living, breathing ecosystem in your soil. Start by making compost tea using well-aged compost. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with dechlorinated water, add 2 cups of compost and mix in a tablespoon of unsulfured molasses or liquid kelp. To aerate the mixture and encourage microbial growth, use an aquarium air pump with an air stone. Let it brew for 24 to 36 hours. Once ready, pour the tea directly onto your soil to jumpstart microbial activity. For best results, apply compost tea every 2 weeks. You'll start noticing improved soil texture, better water retention, and healthier plants within a few weeks. Solution 2. Rebuild soil with organic matter. Dead soil is often lifeless because it lacks organic matter. Without it, the soil becomes compacted and unable to hold nutrients or moisture. The quickest way to reverse this is by layering organic materials like compost, leaf mold, aged manure, or shredded mulch directly onto the soil surface. Compost is the best all-in-one soil fix. Spread a thick layer about 2 inches over your garden beds. As it decomposes, it will enrich the soil, improve its structure, and create a nutrient-dense environment for plant roots. If you don't have compost ready, use well-rotted manure or shredded leaves to provide immediate nourishment. For even faster results, mix compost into the top few inches of soil. This speeds up decomposition and ensures the nutrients reach plant roots quickly. Solution 3. Fix soil compaction with cover crops. If your soil is hard and compacted, plant roots won't be able to grow properly. A quick fix for this is using cover crops, also known as green manure. Cover crops like clover, radish, and buckwheat work by breaking up dense soil with their roots while adding nutrients and organic matter. To use cover crops effectively, plant them at the end of the growing season or during off-seasons. As they grow, they loosen the soil structure, improve aeration, and pull up nutrients from deep below. Once they mature, simply cut them down and mix them into the topsoil. Over time, your soil will become loose, fluffy, and rich in nutrients. If you need an even faster fix, try using a garden fork to gently loosen the soil before adding compost or organic matter. Avoid overtilling, as excessive disturbance can destroy beneficial soil organisms. Solution 4. Balance soil pH for optimal growth. Dead soil isn't always about nutrients. It can also be a pH problem. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, plants won't be able to absorb nutrients properly, even if they are present in the soil. The fastest way to diagnose soil pH is with a home soil test kit, which will tell you if your soil needs an adjustment. If your soil is too acidic, adding agricultural lime or wood ash can help raise the pH and make nutrients more available. If the soil is too alkaline, amend it with elemental sulfur, peat moss, or organic matter to bring the pH back into balance. Most plants prefer a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Keeping the soil within this range will ensure optimal nutrient absorption, leading to healthier growth and better yields. Solution 5. Improve drainage and water retention. One of the most overlooked causes of dead soil is poor water management. If your soil drains too quickly or retains too much moisture, plant roots won't be able to access the oxygen and nutrients they need. For heavy clay soil that retains too much water, add sand, perlite, or coarse organic matter like pine bark to improve drainage. Raised beds can also help by elevating the soil level, allowing excess water to escape more efficiently. If your soil dries out too fast, mix in organic matter like compost, peat moss, or coconut coir. These materials act like sponges, holding moisture while still allowing air to circulate around the roots. A layer of mulch will further prevent water loss by protecting the soil from evaporation and temperature extremes. Making these changes will create a well-balanced soil environment where plants can thrive with minimal effort. Conclusion: reviving soil is easier than you think. No matter how lifeless your soil seems, it can be revived quickly with the right approach. Compost tea, organic matter, cover crops, pH balancing, and improved water management are simple yet powerful ways to restore fertility and structure. Even if you're a beginner, these quick fixes will breathe life back into your garden, making it more productive and resilient. And there you have it. We've covered some fantastic tips on reviving your garden's soil. Try these solutions in your own garden and see the difference. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Hydro Haven for more expert gardening tips. Share this with fellow gardeners and let's bring dead soil back to life, one garden at a time.